I'm back with job opportunities. This time it's about internships. Let's quickly get into the video.
The UX/UI design intern opportunity. It's from Zluri, and it has already over 100 applicants for just posted before a day. So make sure that you have enough skills for this. And next one is again, it's from a Seek. So you have opening for design intern here as well. Next is from Arjuna. They have posted a opening for Seek also. Idla vandu I think Seek and Arjuna vandu rendume it's a for Seek only, so you can see, have a look at it. And also UXY intern, learnmall.in, they have also opening for it. It's in Bangalore and it's open to all the degrees, and this is same for neenga simply hired la irundhu kuda apply panni paakalam. And next one is brand shark. They have opening in Internshala for UXY design intern, and you need to apply by June 27. Make sure that you do it, and duration is 3 months. And the next one is they have the same opening, entreboja.org also. You can apply from here. The next one is Rupee card. So they have the opening as a UXY design intern. They are also giving stipend around 10 to 15k per month, and you have to apply by 31st May. They have also posted the opening on BD. And the next opening is for UXY intern as a product designer, and it's from Credreto Marketing Private Limited. They are giving the stipend of 5,000 per month. So make sure that, whether you're okay with it or not, and it needs a very least experience. And for Amphasis Consulting Private Limited, they have the opening for UXY design intern in Bangalore. They have also posted their opening on Internshala also. You can check it by, but the apply date is I think over in Internshala. You can apply by LinkedIn if possible. Next is they have the opening in Founded Zuno. So for IQ Next, they are hiring for UXY design intern. They are giving the stipend around 12k per month. And the next opening is Kazam EV Tech Private Limited. They have their opening for UXY design intern again. You can apply it from Simply Hired. They are giving the stipend around 18 to 20k per month. And next is product design intern. They have the opening of 3.6L to 6 LPA. I think it's a very good opportunity for a designer intern, and it's a in-office one, and you can see rest of the roles and responsibilities here. The tenure is around 4 to 6 months. So you can apply via the forms here. You can check it out. I'll give all the links in the description. And the next is we have opening for UX internship at Open Text. You can also apply it, and the stipend is 15k, and it's posted on the notice board. You can check for it. Another one is in Naukri. They have the opening for Ind Money hiring. They are hiring a UXY design intern again, and you can see what is their overview about the job. They need freshers, and qualification can be these. Salary is going to be this in between. And next is Zeotap. They have the opening, and for UX intern, you can check for the requirements and responsibilities here. And the next is they have opening for product design intern in parallel, and they are giving around 20k per month. And there is the opening in Job Rapido for Maxime Lobs Private Limited. They have for internship. You can also check their roles and responsibilities here. And the final one is they have opening in for product designer intern at Sciencey. It's from Zip Recruiter. I have saw the opening from here. You can check the details about the job here.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope this video will be helpful for the people. I'll meet you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye.